So some student each record the mass m kilogram of their school bag. Adil wants to draw a histogram to show this information. Complete the table below. And in this table, this is the mass and this is the frequency and this is the height of the bar on the histogram. Now we have to find these frequencies. First, we have to find what is the actual frequency density, FD, that is frequency over class width. That is frequency over class width. For your convenience, I am also writing the class interval over here. And the class interval of this is 1 and here it is 3. So let me see here. So here the frequency is 32 and class interval is 4. So 30 f is 32 and class width is 4. So 32 over 4 is 8. So frequency, actual frequency density is 8. But here it is 1.6. So it means that we have to divide 8 by 5. Actual frequency is 8. So and the frequency which we have to use for to draw the histogram, but that is 1.6. We got 1.6 by dividing this 8 by 5. In the same way we can check it. So the frequency density of this one, 42 divided by 3. So 42 divided by 3 is 14. The actual frequency density is 14. But when you divide 14 by 5, you will get 2.8. This is 2.8.
Up to 5.
So what idea we got here? We got here that these frequencies for to draw the histogram, they have obtained just by dividing the actual frequency densities by 5. So to get the actual frequency density from these numbers, we have to multiply these frequency densities by 5 to get the actual frequency densities. So the actual frequency density of this 2 will be 2 times 5, it is 10. And 1.2 multiplied by 5. 1.2 multiplied by 5, that is 6. So this is the actual frequency density of this is 6. Okay. Now we know the formula of frequency density. From here we can find the formula for frequencies. Frequencies are basically class width multiplied by frequency density. Frequency density multiplied by class width. Okay, so these are the actual frequency density. 8 multiplied by class width 4, that will give us 32. 10 multiplied by this 2, 20 will be the here. And 6 multiplied by 1, 6. 14 multiplied by 3, 14 3s are 42. Look, 42. So now we have
Sir,
now if you have to draw the histogram, on the x-axis you will write this, and on the y-axis you will use this frequency densities.
sir, ये दूसरी तरह भी इसके बाद.
अच्छा guys, who look here. ये Deborah records the number of minutes late for train arriving at a station. The histogram show this information. This is the histogram. First you have to see this is a simple histogram or it is a frequency density histogram. What is your opinion? Find the number of trains that Deborah recorded. You have to find the frequencies of all the bars. Then you add all the frequencies. That will give you the total number of trains. 12. The height of the first bar is 12 and the width is 2.5. Okay. So 2.5 into 12. How much? So it's 30. Here total trains are 30 here. Okay. In the same, and this is frequency. This is frequency. And what is the frequency of this bar? 2.5 into 25, 26. 2.5 into 26. So 2.5 into 26. This is 65. So 65 frequency, 65 trains here. In the same way, the width is 5 and the height is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is the 15 times 5, 75 trains are here. Okay, in the similar way, add all these frequencies, that will give you the total number of trains. There are 240 trains. calculate the percentage of trains recorded that arrived more than 10 minutes late. So more than 10 minutes late. So up 10 minutes. So these are the those who are late more than 10. 50 plus 20. 70 trains are more than 10 minutes late. So so this is the percentage, and 0 cancels. 7 fours and 4, 25%. So 25%, 25, and percentage sign is already given, no need to write it again. So it is not 25, it is 29.2%. Okay, we confirm it from the calculator now. So our doctors patients are grouped by age as shown in the table and the histogram below, and the age 0 to 10 there are 300 patients like that. Okay, and look at this is missing, here. We have to find this number of patients, this is frequency, and from I think it is we have to find it from the histogram, and this is histogram and it is frequency density histogram. Complete the following. So 1 centimeter square represent patients.
Sir, इनमें जो ये यार हलीमा वो एक
Let me finish. Use the histogram to fill the blank in the table. But first, let's do this first. So to find the frequency, we have to find the area. So it is 30 to 60. Where this bar is from 30 to 60. So to find the frequency, find the area. 30 to 60. So the width is 30. And what is the frequency here? Oh, we don't know frequency. We don't know the y-axis here. Look the table. Look the table. These are frequency divided by class. What is class? Class width here. Class width is 10 here. And class width is 20 here. And class width is 30 here. Or class width is 40 here. Okay. And to find the frequency densities, so you have to divide frequencies by class width. 300 is 300 by 10, 30 is frequency density. 600 and or again I think it's again 600 divided by 20, how much? 600 divided by 20, again 30, and 880 divided by 40, so 22 is frequency density. Okay, this is we have got the frequency density. And see here 30, it means that the height of the first bar will be 30, so it is 30. So okay, the width of the bar is 30 and the height of the bar is 40, so area of this bar is 40 into 30, 1200, and 1200 is the
मतलब frequency.
look here, the second bar is from 10 to 30, that will come over here, 10 to 30. What is the height? 30, so that will also be here, 30. This is the bar, 30, and this last one 20. 60 to 100. 60 to 100 is 20. Where 20 will come? 20 will come over here. The bar will be over here. This will be the bar here.
Yes, sir.
This is the bar. Okay. So we did this C part as well. So we have drawn the whole histogram here. Now come to the part A now. A 1 centimeter square represent 1 cent. Okay, and this is 1 centimeter up till now here. This is 1 centimeter. This box has length 1 centimeter and width 1 centimeter. You can check it from using the ruler as well. 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter, and this whole area of this whole box is 1 centimeter square. So this 1 centimeter square, number of patients mean frequency. So the width is how much is this width? This is look here, from here to here it is 20. So this 1 centimeter is about 10, width is 10, and the height is also 10. So 10 into 10, 100. So this 1 centimeter represent the 100 frequencies. Frequency means